Hey, this is Algebra Lesson, Chapter 3, Section 1. The objective is to identify solutions of inequalities with one variable and also graph those inequalities. So what are we talking about? I'm sure that you've all been to amusement park before or seen a roller coaster or a ride where it says you must be at least this tall to ride the ride. Okay, so that is an example of an inequality. In this example that I put up here, it's saying that you must be at least 4 feet tall to ride this roller coaster. Okay, so what that means is you can be 4 feet tall, or 5 feet, or 6 feet, or anything in between. Okay, but you have to be at least 4. That's an example of a real-life inequality. So they actually look something like this, or you could have them written up like this. This is one where we have to solve it. We have to figure out what all the solutions are. An easy way to do this is actually think about this as though it is an equal sign. So x minus 6 equals 4. I know we can probably figure out how to do this in our head, but we really want to work on muscle memory so we can solve the harder problems. So with this, we want to do the inverse operation. We're going to add 6 to both sides. The 6's will cancel out, and we're left with x equals 10. Okay, we do the same process for the one on the top. But instead of saying equals, we're just going to keep our inequality in the equation. So, I'm going to draw my fence so I can kind of keep things isolated. Okay, I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And again, my 6's cancel out, and I'm left with x is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, what this is saying that anything 10 or anything above it, anything that is greater than 10, will solve that, will be a solution.